My name is Dr Garlick. I'm an orthopedic surgeon, a medical doctor, MD at Florida Orthopaedic Institute, and I have worked here for over 12 years. I'm married and I have 3 lovely kids, and my kids are 15, 13, and 9. My wife and I met in Tampa, and she followed me to New Jersey for my residency and came back here, and my sons and crew and the rest of my family plays tennis. Tennis is one of my passions, and I'm involved in weight training and yoga, and I try to stay very fit, and one of my passions is working out. Anything that involves the knee, I'm involved with. So I was at a course one time and I met this really nice Korean gentleman. He was a doctor, and I asked him what he did, and he said, "I'm the hip guy in my hospital." And it was at that moment that I knew I would be the knee guy. So anything from birth to death that can occur in a knee, I specialize in. My patient care philosophy is really focused on primarily treating what the patient needs, not what is on the MRI or what is on the imaging. Oftentimes people are misdiagnosed or diagnosed with conditions that they don't need treated. So I tell them, one of the lines I use in clinic is, the best surgery I do is the surgery I don't have to do. And then I have patients help me understand what it is they need, and they're involved in the decision for surgery or non-surgery, non-surgical management of these conditions. The best part of my job is when I get to give people function. I give their function back. And to see them come back after surgery and they say things like, "Wow, I haven't done this in many years, and this is the best thing that I've ever done, and I feel like I have my life back." That's what really drives me. So what sets Florida Orthopaedic Institute apart from other facilities is that I think what it comes down to is excellence. I've worked in a lot of other hospital systems in different states and institutions, and I think beyond a doubt, the excellence here is beyond anything that I've ever experienced. It gives me satisfaction when I get to send a patient to one of my partners and know that they're getting the best orthopedic care.